Welcome students, welcome to AD Tutorials. Just now today we have changed from Ankur Tutorials to AD Tutorials because our new mathematics and science teacher from SMS medium will be joining us shortly tomorrow, and the videos would be shortly published in short duration of time. Okay, so we were discussing exercise 3.1 we have completed. Now let us forward after the intro of exercise 3.2. So form the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solutions graphically. So students, I will make the chart for you all and you all will form it on graph and send me on the WhatsApp number that is given on the description below. So 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. The question is given as 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. Class 10, exercise 3.2. So class 10, how many students? 10 students took part in a mathematics quiz, MQ, that is mathematics quiz. Okay, so 10 students, out of which if the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, out of which there were some boys and girls. Okay, so the solution is as follows. Let boys equals to x, girls equals to y. So according to question, the first part, x plus y gives you 10. Okay, because boys and girls together consisted how many? 10. So for the first part, if we draw the chart, because we are to be represented it graphically, not algebraically, so further solve this, x equals to 10 minus y. So if I can, now you see y is depending on x and x is independent of anything y. So x, if I change the value of y as 0, then it will come 10. If I change the value of y as 1, so 10 minus 1 is how much? 9. 9. And if I take 2, then 10 minus 2 is 8. So first coordinates we got for the first part, 10, 0, 9, 1 and 8, 2. This much we got. After that, let's see the next part of the question. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, number of girls again, number of girls is 4 more than boys. So according to this statement, what is girls? Girl means y is equal to 4 more than boys, x plus 4. So from here we can plot another graph or coordinates of the graph. Now you see x is depending on y. X is depending on y, but y is independent of x. So if I take x as 0, y becomes 4. If I take x as 1, y becomes 5. If I take x as 2, y becomes 6. Okay, so we have got this was for the first pair of linear equation. For the second pair we have got this coordinate xy 0 for the first question. I am showing you how to plot the graph. For the next question I will just give you the coordinates and you will be solving on your own and sending me it on WhatsApp. So let this be the graph. Let's think that this is a graph paper. This axis belongs to x-axis and this axis belongs to y-axis. All are positive here. So this is the first plottings. These are the second plottings. So in the first part, how many? Highest number is 10. Here the highest number are 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Highest we got 10. And on y-axis the highest number is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Name it 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us first solve for the first plottings. For y belongs to 0. For y belongs to 0, the value of x is 10. So how I write? 10, 0. For the second plotting, for value of y as 1, the value of x is 9. Somewhere here. So I write 9, 1. For second plotting, we get as 8. For the third plotting, we get 8, 2. So you can join this and form a straight line. You can join this and form a straight line. For the second one, if I see for x equals to 0, y equals to 4. That is 0, 4. For x belongs to 1, that is x belongs to 1, y equals to 5. So 0, 4 I would write it here, small 0, 4. So for y belongs to 1, it would be somewhere here. And for x belongs to 2, y is equal to 6. It would be somewhere here. So we got a straight line. The midpoint of this will give you somewhere near 4 and somewhere near 7 or 8. So this is the value, this is how to plot the graph. So I hope you have understood. So somehow let us assume x as 4 and y as 8 approximately, because we cannot plot it here the actual figure. So hope you all have understood how to plot the graph and how to find its value. Okay, so let's see the next question. The next question is, so the next question is 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost. So pencil and pen. So let pencil be x, pen be y. According to question, what is given? 5 pencil, 7 pen. 5 pencil plus 7 pens cost equal to rupees 50. So in algebraically 5x plus 7y is equal to 50. From here you will get x is equal to 5x is equal to 50 minus 7y by, not by, x equal to 50 minus 7y upon 5. So let's plot the graph for this. Rest you would be solving on your own and send me on my WhatsApp description number. So if I take y as 0, so it becomes 50 minus 7 into 0 by 5 is equal to 50 minus 0 by 5 is equal to 10. 50 minus 5, 10. If I take y as 5, the value changes drastically. 50 minus 7 into 5 by 5 is equal to 50 minus 35 upon 5 is equal to 15 by 5 is equal to 3. So we got two coordinates, that's enough. So let us move to the second part of the questions. The second part of the question is given as 7 pencils plus 5 pen together cost rupees 46. 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. Compare this. 7x is equal to 46 minus 5y. X equals to 46 minus 5y by 7. So solve for this. Plot a graph for this. xy. So 46, if I take y as 0, then x will become 46 by 7, or which is approximately around 7 6 are 42, 4 is the remainder, 0, 5 are 35. So it is approximately 6.5 left, 0.06 49. Sorry, 749. So it is approximately 6.6. You can write. If y0 6.6 approximately you can write. If the value of y becomes 1, then 46 minus 5 into 1 by 7 is equal to 46 minus 5 by 7, which is equal to 41 by 7. Now check for divide. 41, 7 5s are 35 minus 6.0, 7 8s are 56, 4 is left, 0. So 5 times 35, so it is taken as 5.9. So now plot the graph and send me on my WhatsApp number 7002809954. Let's see the rest of the questions on the next part of my video. Thank you very much, and please do subscribe and share my channel, my as well as my friend's channel, because we are soon launching the Assamese tutorials too. So hope you guys have understood what I have taught, and if you have not, please review the video again once more. I hope you will be easily understand what I am speaking about. Thank you.